Hello everyone, if you want pushcut to send you notifications based on your calendar event, it's super easy. Let's walk through it. You can go ahead to the triggers, you can select notifications or background, right? So a background is for local events. So if you have a local event, you could just go ahead and add action and add the background action, right? Whether you have the URL or server, right? If you have a server, you just go ahead and add it from your pushcut or Apple shortcut after you integrate the Apple shortcut with your pushcut, right? As we said before, and add an input for that server. If you have a link, just go ahead and add the link and test that link to see that if the link will direct you to the right place, right? And then hit done. In my case, I'm gonna add from the notifications because it's more involved. Like the action is more involved with notifications. So I'm gonna go ahead and add trigger, right? And I'm gonna select the notification section. I'm gonna select this first one because this is the first one that I created, right? For this, you will want to use the calendar event trigger, right? And that means that every time you have a calendar event, pushcut can send you notification. So I'm gonna focus on time and I'll make it daily, right? Or weekly if you have weekly events, right? And select the time zone. When do you usually have the event? Okay. And right here, you're gonna see the location constraint. Only trigger when you're at that place or when you're not at that place. You can go ahead and select location and add your home location and just type right here, this is for weekly slash daily daily slash monthly event. Okay, and as you can see right here, after you added that, you can see locations. Of course, you can add locations. When you arrive at that place, this notification will be triggered, and when leaving that place, this action will be triggered, right? So I'm gonna focus on time. I'm not gonna focus on location because I'm not gonna have as much liberty. I have to, focus on one time and basically when that will happen, right? And basically, after you finish, go ahead and hit done at the top. It says right here, local triggers with constraints or delays requires always the location. So I'm gonna give access to location and make sure that you enable that trigger, right? Hit done, and on weekdays at 2:31 p.m. this trigger will be set off. All right, you could go ahead and see that this trigger will set off. So I'm gonna go ahead to my notification section. Of course, you can change the trigger place. You can select the first one or the second one or the third one if you have created more than one notification, so you can add the trigger. But I'm focused on one because I don't have an event or I don't have a calendar, so I'm focused on just one notification. Of course, you can diversify and choose another notifications. Like the second notification is for local event, the third notification is for emergency, whatever it might be. So each notification has its own unique trigger. So I'm gonna go ahead to my first notification, right? And I'm gonna just say, I can just go ahead and hit test notification. And as you can see, once I see the emoji or the thing that's unique about this notification, I would know that I have an event, right? In this time, so I have to go there, right? So basically, if you want to go back to the trigger, I'm gonna go ahead to my trigger, and you want basically right here my first notification, right? And as you can see, I've set off my trigger, right, and the time zone and everything, right? Hit done, go back to the notifications, and you're gonna see an option right here. The sound should be, you make sure that you add a clear sound so you can hear it, and you're gonna see right here the local triggers, right? Go back and you're gonna see the testing with input, right? If you want add input or dynamic text in curl, right? And basically that notification will be enabled, right? And if you want to add an image, you can add an image. So basically, you know, I don't think that there is anything left to do. Yeah, there isn't anything left to do. So basically, that's it. All right. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. And now, every time you have a calendar event, pushcut will send you a helpful reminder so you'll never miss a meeting or appointment. What events are you going to set reminders for? Let me know in the comments, and catch you up next time. See you.